May loyal ka bang empleyado pero bagsak naman sa performance? Ito yung mga C players, low competence and high commitment. Now, these are the team members na willing to do the job pero not able to do it. Kumbaga, masipag pero bano. Ito yung mga taong who comes early in the office. They stay late to finish a task and gagawin naman nila yung mga trabaho. Okay, kaya lang, yung output niya is or madalas hindi naman quality. No? Kaya what ends up happening is you step in to do the task. Relate ba? So, anong gagawin mo sa kanila? You train them. Pero what does training mean ba? Training is putting in answers. We do this by showing them what to do. So remember, no? Training is putting in answers and we do this by showing them what to do. Babalikan kasi natin ito mamaya, no? So ano ba ang tamang way sa pag-train? So here's our 3-step process. I do, we do, you do. Step number 1, I do. Okay? Dito is ako muna gagawa, manood ka muna. Now, if you notice the pattern, I do, we do, you do, ang nangyayari kasi once we start having a team member, we start to delegate kaagad or bibigay kaagad natin yung task sa taong yun. So technically, dumiretso sa step 3, you do, now without starting with step 1, I do. Sa I do kasi is, ako muna gagawa, manood ka muna. Also, the term here is demonstrating. Nangyayari kasi we ask a team member, and here's the mistakes including me, we ask a team member to do a task, pero this person does not know what success looks like for this role or what does the right way of doing this task. Kaya the first step muna is ako muna gagawa, manood ko muna, observe mo muna ako. Now, after that, we now transition to step 2, we do. Okay? So if you notice, we do, this is the doing it together. Ako, ikaw, gagawa, sabay natin gagawin. Okay? So for example, let us say na I'm asking someone to talk on stage in behalf of me. No, I'm training someone to talk on stage. So first is, ako muna gagawa, observe mo, paano ko siya ginagawa. Second is, okay, ako sa part 1, ikaw sa part 2, sabay nating gagawin. Make sense? And lastly, this moves to step 3, you do. Ibig sabihin, yung tao mo ang gagawa, ikaw manood ka. Now, I want to be clear. Pag sinabing you do, may trabaho ka pa rin. Kasi yung trabaho mo is manood at magbigay ng feedback. And dito tayo nagkakamali because what ends up happening is we tend to delegate the task to someone and then we leave them, no? And we ask ourselves, oy, bakit hindi nag-work? Pinasa ko naman. Pero parang hindi na ginawa na maayos. Ang tanong ba, ginawa mo ba yung you do, I what? Ibig sabihin, ikaw gagawa, pero I will observe and give you feedback para you know how to improve. When you do this, I do, we do, you do, you're gonna notice mag-iiba yung way mo of training your team members.